Join me as I take on the challenge of making over $5,000 a month with Google AdSense, starting from scratch. Google AdSense is a powerful tool that can generate a significant income online. And today, I'm going to share with you the ultimate guide on how to make over $5,000 a month with AdSense, tailored specifically for beginners who want to learn the ropes and start earning a decent income online. One of the biggest challenges beginners face when trying to earn money through AdSense is low traffic. You can't earn money if nobody's visiting your website, right? Another challenge is understanding the confusing settings and options within AdSense. It can be overwhelming, especially if you're new to online marketing. And lastly, creating high-quality content that attracts visitors and keeps them engaged is a massive hurdle for many beginners. Creating content that resonates with your audience is crucial, but it's not an easy feat. You need to understand your target audience, their pain points, and what type of content they engage with. And even then, there's no guarantee that your content will go viral or attract a massive following. Many beginners struggle with this aspect, and it can be frustrating when you're not seeing the results you want. Another common challenge is the technical aspect of setting up AdSense. From creating an account to setting up ads on your website, it can be a daunting task, especially for those who aren't tech-savvy. And even if you manage to set up AdSense, optimizing it for maximum earnings is a whole different ballgame. Many beginners give up because they're not seeing the results they want fast enough. They expect to earn thousands of dollars overnight, which is unrealistic. Building a successful AdSense income takes time, effort, and patience. You need to be consistent, persistent, and willing to learn and adapt to changes in the online market. To set up your AdSense account, you need to create high-quality, engaging content that attracts visitors. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, or social media content. Once you have a decent amount of content, you can apply for an AdSense account. The approval process usually takes a few days, and once you're approved, you can start placing ads on your website. When it comes to creating content, you need to think about what type of content your audience will engage with. What are their pain points? What are they searching for online? Create content that answers their questions, solves their problems, or entertains them. The key is to be authentic, relatable, and consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to building an audience. Optimizing your website for ad placements is crucial to maximize your earnings. You need to think about where to place your ads, how to design them, and how to make them blend in with your content. You can experiment with different ad placements, colors, and designs to see what works best for your website. The key is to make your ads visible but not intrusive. To earn a significant income with AdSense, you need to think about niche selection. You need to choose a niche that has a high demand, low competition, and is profitable. You can use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, or SEMrush to find profitable niches. Once you've selected a niche, you can create content around it, attract an audience, and monetize it with AdSense. Content marketing is another key strategy to increase your AdSense earnings. You need to create high-quality, engaging content that attracts visitors and keeps them coming back for more. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, social media content, or email marketing. The key is to be consistent, authentic, and relatable. Effective SEO techniques can also increase your AdSense earnings. You need to optimize your website, content, and ads for search engines. This includes keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can increase your traffic, engagement, and ultimately, your AdSense earnings. In summary, making over $5,000 a month with Google AdSense requires patience, consistency, and persistence. You need to create high-quality content, optimize your website for ad placements, choose a profitable niche, and use effective SEO techniques. Remember, building a successful AdSense income takes time, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about AdSense or want to share your experience, leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out my next video on advanced strategies for increasing your AdSense revenue.